Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here for 911 Reviews, and we are checking out some of the best products for summer. This is certainly one of them. This is from AQUA. It is their large floating island. So if you guys have ever wanted to have your own island to hang out with all of your friends on, this is what you need. This is such a cool product. You guys, it supports up to 1,000 pounds without caving in. You can like walk around on it, you can hang out on it. It is really, really awesome. Jump off of it. And again, up to 1,000 pounds. So it's, for you and a lot of your friends. This also unzips on 3 sides, so you can put multiple ones of them together and just make an even bigger epic party station, again at the lake or at the beach. Really, really cool. One thing that sets this apart is the design on the outside. It has like 2-tone blue stripes. It's going to turn colors whenever it gets wet versus dry, and the outside also has it protects you from heat, so you've got the sun glaring down on it. It's not going to get super hot and like burn your feet or anything, so I think that's a really, really cool feature. This has so many amazing reviews. Everyone loves it. It's super sturdy, it's great construction, and it's just really, really good fun. You are gonna want one of these for summer for sure. Definitely pick one up, put it in your cart, order it today. You're gonna be so happy that you did.